Okay, good morning everyone. Myself P. Balakrishna from EC department in Ramchandra Engineering College. So yesterday we can discussion in the what is PCM codes and how to define PCM codes and you can explain that. So now we can explain that PCM transmitter and PCM receiver. So here first is a PCM generator. So here the PCM generator is simply to apply some input signal to the low pass filter. So the low pass filter is simply to filterize some signal. So here the some analog signal to simply the digital signal, that is sample and hold signal, that is X of NTS. So here X of NTS signals is simply to quantities of that signal. So the quantities are released to some binary encoder digitized. So here to simply to and also sent to the V, and you can release the V digit signal. That signals are sent to the parallel to serial conversion. So you can simply to define the pulse code modulation of the signal. And all one more thing is sampling frequency is almost greater than 2 omega, that is sampling frequency Fs is selected the sufficient about Nyquist rate and avoid aliasing. And the digital level of XTS with is a fixed digital level, it then assign any one of digital level to XNTS, which result in minimized distortion and error. The error is called quantization error. Thus output of quantization is a digital levels is called XQ and TS. So now coming back our discussion the PCM generator, the quantization levels XQNTS is given the binary encoder. So here already we can discussion in the binary in digital communication block diagram here to find out some source encoder and source decoder, and is simply to define the output in quantization levels, that is step by step levels. I can easily to input and output easily to identify that quantization level of the signal. Here also to define PCM codes. PCM code is a simply digital modulation system. So delta modulation system and PCM both are using digital modulation system. Another pulse amplitude and pulse width modulation is the analog modulation. This is the two difference of the analog and digital modulation system. And both are using to converted the some analog to digital conversion. So the digital information to you can simply to transmit at the transmission lines. So next continuation, the how to define transmission lines and how to define in middle of the channel, middle of the information. Here the transmission bandwidth in PCM. So let the contents levels of the numbers of the binary digits to represented each level, that is to find out the number of quantization level, the total number of digital levels of the Q level quantization, that is Q is equal to power V. For example, V are equal to the 3, there is a number of 3, that are Q is equal to 8 levels of the quantization noise level. And one more thing to find out the number of bits per seconds, that is the number of samples per second. So this is here V bit per samples into samples per second, that is Fs. So totally to find out that sampling rate in PCM, V into Fs, that is here Fs is greater than 2 omega. So the sampling theorem is also Fs has a 3 condition: ideal, natural and flat top sampling. Here also under he 3 samples as depending on sampling frequency range. So you can identify that range of the frequency in each level of the samples. So that's why you can easily to identify the quantization level step by step. We can easily to identify also noise. So we can solve that problem or using sampling signals. And continuation, to find out the formula for bandwidth of the PCM transition. Here the BT greater than 1 by 2 R greater than or equal to 1 by 2 VFS and greater than or equal to VW. This is simply bandwidth, how to find out the bandwidth of the PCM. Next, we can find out the receiver of the PCM. So previous we can find out the PCM transmitter or PCM transmission lines in bandwidth. Here to find out the receiver of the PCM. So here you can observe that a simply block diagram is quite opposite of the PCM transmitter. So here, so PCM transmitter are using low pass filter at the input stage. Here to reconstruction filter are using input stage and output stage are connected to the low pass filter. Here also simply to are using the serial to parallel converter of the input number system. And also to convert it the digital to analog converters also, that is simply sample and hold circuits. That is simply to apply some low pass filter. Low pass filter simply to filterize the input signals. So and also to find out that simply here timers also, synchronized timers also to apply to the generators and serial to parallel converters and sample and hold circuit. That is simply to find out the step by step of the signals. And also to find out the graphical representation of the above PCM receiver is, here you can observe that simply the step by step process, that is simply the quantization level of the output. So here input is x of t continuous signals, and also to find out the step by signals in the to find out the duration of the entire pulse. So that is simply to minus 1 by q up to 0, and nothing but you can start at the negative level up to 5 by q level. So that is a stability of the input signals. So here the digital word is converted to the analog value xqt along with the sample and hold. The signal is the output of the sampling and hold pass through the low pass reconstruction filter and to get output of the system. And one more thing point is most important point, that is equivalent to increase binary digits numbers, okay, now for every samples. So next continuation is to find out that quantization level. How to find out the quantization levels? It is represented the sample values of the amplitude by a finite set levels, which means converting a continuous amplitude sample into the discrete time signal. So here quantization are mainly are using reconstructions levels and quantum step size levels. There are mainly two techniques: uniform quantization level, that is there are two types of the uniform quantization and non-uniform quantization. So uniform quantization is simply the type of quantization in which the quantization level are uniformly spaced is trimmed as a uniform quantization. Non-uniform quantization is a logarithmic process. So uniform quantizations is a merely uniform quantization are two techniques: mid-rise type and mid-treat type. That means you can find out at the zero level of the input and output level, you can observe that the middle of the point, that is the increase and decreasing point. The step will be starting and the negative steps, you can increasing some levels, and second are observe that can starting at zero level. So that is the difference of the here quantization level of the steps, that is simply input and output. So this is the mid-rise type and mid-treated type. So mid-treated type you can start at level of the 0. So mid-rise type is simply to rise some value, so can increasing some value. So that's why you can easily to define that output levels and nothing but output levels, input levels of the uniform quantization. Okay, so here simply the descriptions of the mid-rise and mid-treat. So is simply to so is called because the origin lies of the middle of the rising part of the staircase like graph. So this is simply to find out that quantization uniformly quantization levels. And continuation, the quantization noise and signal to noise ratio in the PCM system. Here to how to find out the quantization errors, here to find out the different step levels, can easily to identify that. So here the quantization error is sigma is equal xq nts minus n into x into nts. This is simply quantization error, and step stage is let input is x and ts be continuous amplitude in range of maximum to minimum. That is simply to x maximum minus x maximum by q. That is simply to 2 max maximum by 1. For example, x maximum is 1. That is 2 by q. 2 by q. So another quantization error is a PDF. So if step size delta is sufficient small, then it is a responsible to assume that a quantization error SMI is epsilon E maximum are equal to the average of the delta. So that is simply to find out the average negative to positive level. So that is simply to identify that negative to of that is the uniform distribution of array quantization. You can distribute the negative level to positive levels. So here also first diagram you can observe that just uniform distribution, some increases some levels, some 0 to some increasing level. Here negative to positive equal level. This also formulas for the PDF of